Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I'm back with another video, and this time it's a skincare video. There seems to be a special connection with me and skincare, and I really enjoy that. Of course, as you guys know, skincare has always been my first love, and I really love trying out products, especially when it comes to Indian brands, especially when it comes to affordable Indian brands. I really feel that it's so important to take care of your skin, and I'm very picky and choosy when it comes to skincare. I really don't buy just any product off the rack. In this video guys, I'm going to be reviewing an Indian skincare brand called Mamaearth. I actually will be reviewing two of their very popular products from their Upton range, which I've been meaning to try for a long time. Also because the two main ingredients of the Upton range are actually saffron and turmeric. Now turmeric is an age-old beauty ingredient that we all, our grandmothers, our great grandmothers have used all their lives for their skin, and when a product actually has turmeric in it, I had to try it. So in this video guys, I'm going to be reviewing two of Mamaearth's very popular products, and that is the Mamaearth Upton face wash and the Mamaearth Upton face mask. These are the two products that I will be trying out for you guys and telling you guys my review. I've actually been using this for the past 1 week, and I quite like the effect of these, but I'll take you through one by one on both these products and actually show you guys the usage of it as well. I just actually washed my face using both of these products. Mamaearth firstly is a made in India Indian brand. It's actually a plastic positive brand, which means that they actually recycle more plastic than they actually use, which is great. This is a very environmental friendly brand, toxin free brand, cruelty free brand. So let me take you through each of these products. Firstly, I'm talking about this Upton face wash, fairly big bottle and actually quite nice to carry also. It's a 100 ml bottle. It's priced at $249. What a great price for good skincare. I've actually reviewed one of Mamaearth's argan hair mask like last year or last year. You guys loved that video, and actually I love that hair mask so much. So I've had a great experience using Mamaearth hair products, but I never used Mamaearth skincare before, so this is the first time. Now this is the Mamaearth Upton face wash. It's paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested, suits all skin types. Basically it says it's for tan removal and skin brightening. It has natural ingredients, repairs sun damage, which we all have, and brightens skin. Let me take you through my usage of this. The face wash is super smooth guys. It feels like a thick layer of cream that I'm scrubbing on my skin. Best part is the granules, which are so fine. This acts like a exfoliator as well, and to clear your skin out. Very fine, very smooth. Let me go and wash this out for you. That's how my skin looks like after the face wash. Super clean, super clear, super radiant, definite tan removal guys. I've been using it for a week and I really love how my skin feels. This is the after effect of using the face wash. It definitely leads to skin brightening and it feels very smooth. I really feel it's worked. Guys, my experience of using this has been absolutely great. My skin came out super refreshed, super clean. It's a very thick, creamy face wash, gets rid of all the impurities, and it acts as an exfoliator as well. It's mild, yet it does its job very well. It cleanses the face very well. Turmeric and saffron, it smells so good. This product actually smells really nice. It's a must try face wash for everyday use. I have a really sensitive skin. Every time I use an exfoliator, I anyway feel like there'll be redness on my skin or it'll dry out suddenly, especially the nose area, but nothing of that sort. Anything happened. My skin came out refreshed, absolutely great. Now the next one is the Mamaearth Upton Night Face Mask. Now this is a gel-like consistency. This is how the product looks like. It's a fairly big jar. This is how the product looks like. It's such a cooling face mask guys, that in this special summer heat, I mean these are the kind of products you want to use to get rid of the irritability that you have because of sweat and everything. Again, it has turmeric and niacinamide, which is such an important component of skincare. It's for glowing skin, and It works best when you use it overnight, so that is the main criteria of using this product. Paraben free, silicone free, dermatologically tested, of course, with bioactives. It has B3 plus. After you use the face wash, basically you have to apply a thin layer of this night mask and put it on and let it stay for like overnight for best results. In this video I'm showing you guys the result after like 20-25 minutes of using this mask. Then also my skin felt absolutely amazing. It deeply hydrates even skin tones and improves skin texture. This is actually their star product, guys. It works really well on the skin. It's really mild, very refreshing. It really evens out your skin, smoothens out your skin. It's priced at $5.99, which is a great price for this big size mask bottle. Turmeric is such a ingredient. Just before a bride gets married, that's the first thing they put on a bride because it's the key ingredient for glowing skin. Check out how my skin feels after using it, guys. This face mask is super cooling. It's a gel like face mask. It's like a gel. It actually feels very light. I've put a thin layer, but it's so smooth. It feels like it's just gliding onto my skin. One of the most cooling face masks I have ever used. Really feel there's some sensation on my skin for sure. My skin feels so good after using this mask, guys. Can you see the difference? There's so much glow on my skin. I really like the way my skin feels. It's very smooth. It literally smoothens out your skin. It's amazing. I mean, the result is right in front of you guys, and I really like it. So that is how both these products felt on my skin. I felt my skin looked really nice, as you can see in the video as well. I felt it gave me an instant glow. It definitely leads to tan removal, and the application of it is super easy. It is very good on sensitive skin, tried and tested, dry skin. I highly recommend both of these products because I'm very happy with the result. The combination of these two is going to give you really good skin. Mamaearth products are available on the Mamaearth website. They are available on Amazon, on Nykaa, and on Purple. And if any of you want to buy Mamaearth products, I will link it down below. You can use a code which is Vritti2021 and actually get a 20% off on any of your Mamaearth orders. So yes, make sure you try that. I'll link that down below for you guys to make your purchase. Especially if a brand is cruelty free, toxin free, it's a much bigger relief. And you know, you tend to trust brands we don't use unnecessary chemicals and which are so environmentally active. Mamaearth also has a new app now, so you can easily download that and make your purchase. The fact that we are all into helping the environment, it is so important to plant as many trees as possible. Mamaearth is also doing its bit. For every order that you place, there's a tree that's planted against every order, which is so good. It's such a good initiative. Actually, the exact geolocation of where that tree has been planted against your order will also be sent to you by the brand. Now imagine, that is so cool that you buy something for your skin and you're actually ensuring that a tree is planted. We should all like try and do everything possible to save the environment, as there's such limited resources. So guys, my final verdict is that I love both of these products. They are a must try when it comes to Indian skincare, when it comes to affordable Indian skincare. I think Mamaearth is a very good option and a trusted option for your skin type. I really feel that taking care of your skin is like taking care of a baby. It is such a sensitive thing to do, and you have to be very careful about what suits you. But every time I've used a Mamaearth product, I've felt great. My skin has felt great. So there's definitely a lot of improvement in my skin since the time I'm using these products, and they've suited me very well. I really hope you like this video, and I really hope this review was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Please let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to answer them. All the information will be listed down below for you guys to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.